Date to ratify was December 7th, 1787, Delaware.
Veteran 4, ready! Fire!
The second state to ratify the Constitution of the United States was Pennsylvania on December 12th, 1787.
Veteran 2, ready! Fire!
The third state to ratify, New Jersey, December 18th, 1787.
Veteran 4, ready! Fire!
Georgia was the fourth state to ratify on January 2nd, 1788.
Veteran 2, ready! Fire!
On January 9th, 1788, the greatest state in the nation ratified the Constitution, Connecticut. Massachusetts was the sixth state to ratify on February 6, 1788.
Veteran 2, ready! Fire!
The seventh state was Maryland on April 28, 1788.
Veteran 4, ready! Fire!
On May 23, 1788, South Carolina became the eighth state to ratify the Constitution.
Veteran 2, ready! Fire!
1888 was New Hampshire's time to ratify the Constitution of the United States, the ninth state to do so.
Veteran 4, ready! Fire!
Then, on June 25th, 1788.
Veteran 2, ready? Fire! Veteran 2, ready! Fire!
Our neighbors to the west, New York, was the 11th state to ratify the Constitution on July 26, 1788.
Veteran 4, ready? Fire!
North Carolina, on November 21st, 1789, became the 12th state to ratify the Constitution.
Veteran 2, ready? Fire!
The last of the 13 colonies, our neighbors to the east, Rhode Island, ratified the Constitution of the United States on May 29th, 1790.